Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. To you all my lovely subscribers, I say thank you. And if you are just seeing this channel, you are highly welcome and well appreciated. Please make it stick by clicking the subscribe button so you get to be getting in contact, to be seeing the videos and everything that is going on in this channel. Today we're gonna be doing aloe vera oil. Yes, in this video, this is an aloe vera that I have already. I used from my previous video and I stored it. Now I'm gonna be using it to make an oil using grapeseed oil and also extra virgin olive oil. I will be taking a cup of each. That's the cup I'll be using to take a cup of each oil to make this aloe vera oil. This is my dispenser bottle. It contains the little oil I used previously, so I'll be adding this one directly to it. And this is my reservoir for my excess oil here. Now the aloe vera has been washed and cleansed. I'm gonna move ahead and cut it into chunks. Aloe vera oil is very rich for the body. It has many good nutrients and it relieves itchy scalp and it grows hair, helps the hair to grow fast. So whenever you're having itchy scalp, use aloe vera oil, add some mint oil, essential oil to it to relieve the itchiness. You can use it on the skin for your face mask and add it to your facial oil and facial creams. They are very nutritious and helpful to the body. I'll be reserving this piece of aloe vera for doing a face mask. I went ahead in chopping the aloe vera into smaller pieces where it can easily release all its guts into the oil. I got the aloe vera into the pot. I'll be pouring in a cup of grapeseed oil. And also a cup of extra virgin olive oil. I covered the pot and let the oil sit for a while. As the oil begins to boil, I just turned off the heat and removed the pot from the heat. This is in order not to overheat the oil or bleach it. I just want it to be warm and hot in order to help the aloe vera release the stuffs it's got inside. The heat it will absorb from the oil will help it to be soft and be able to release into the oil all the good ingredients and nutrients it contains. I let the oil to cool down in the pot. As the oil has finally cooled down, I poured it into a mixing jar, which will help me easily pour it into an airtight container. Applying this oil may exert skin lightening and anti-aging effects. It can heal dark spots, wrinkles, stretch marks, and dry skin issues. Aloe vera oil moisturizes and protects your skin. It boosts hair growth and nourishes dry and flaky scalp if used regularly. Do you know that aloe vera oil can brighten your skin color? It contains a compound known as aleucin, and aleucin interferes with the production of melanin. It blocks melanin production to lighten your skin color if used regularly. Do you also know that when aloe vera gel is mixed with olive oil, it serves as a deep moisturizer and a mosquito repellent? Yes, studies have shown that. Therefore, using this oil regularly can prevent you from getting malaria, dengue, and other parasitic diseases, as well as nourish your skin. After getting the aloe vera oil into the bottle, I covered it very well, tightly, and let it sit on the kitchen counter for 4 days. Now, I believe the aloe vera has released everything it's got into this oil, and this is pure aloe vera oil. So I will be pouring it into my dispenser bottle, and the excess oil I'll be reserving it here. I have a funnel and a filter too. Aloe vera oil is also good for dry skin and wrinkles and fine lines. As I said earlier, yes, it does this by containing the agent called mucopolysaccharides, which helps in trapping and binding moisture in your skin. Applying this oil helps you to improve the integrity of your skin. It also stimulates the production of collagen and elastin fibers, making your skin more elastic, plump, softer, and younger. Engage using aloe vera oil as one of your home remedies to repair your hair. And for hair loss, it relieves dry scalp and damaged hair ends, and also colored hair. It also regrows your edges. So using it often on your hair will help you bring back your hair glory as you wish. Aloe vera also can help you alleviate stretch marks on your skin, especially those from pregnancy or weight gain or weight loss or from weightlifting. Any activity that brings stretch mark to your body, aloe vera can alleviate it. Yeah, the oil is done and it's ready. To my greatest surprise, this oil didn't have any residue like water or at the bottom of the bottle. It's just totally oily, just oily throughout. So there was no release like anything like oil, like how you may see in other oils you may do at home, seeing residue on the bottom. So I don't know whether it's the 4 days that I left it to stay together and used that opportunity to rime up the aloe vera and the oil. So there was nothing like residue of water or any stuff. Everything just mixed up like pure oil. And testing it on the palm. So this oil is very healthy. You can use it for so many things. Yeah, it is very versatile, as you can see. Now you can make your own and enjoy it in different ways. Thank you for watching this video till this moment. I appreciate you all, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.